Charu Asopa, the actress and former sister-in-law of actress Sushmita Sen, has responded strongly to recent comments made by her ex-husband, Rajiv Sen, in a vlog. Rajiv claimed that Charu would return to Mumbai soon, unable to adjust to life in Bikaner. In her latest YouTube vlog, Charu directly addressed his statements, clarifying her decisions regarding her daughter Zyana's upbringing and their new living situation. I want to give Zyana a good lifestyle. I am sure people are living in Mumbai with lesser income. I was working hard there and I am working hard here. It's not like my life was difficult there and it is easier here. Charu explained her choice to move to Bikaner and invest in a house of her own, creating a stable environment for her daughter. I want to fulfill my EMIs and make this house mine. I wanted a home that Zyana can call her own, where she can scribble on walls and just be herself. Charu also responded to Rajiv's offer to let her live on rent in Mumbai. In a recent vlog, Rajiv had said that Charu would return to Mumbai and suggested that she live in the city on rent, with him covering the cost. But Charu made it clear that she didn't want that option. Rajiv did tell me I won't be able to live in Bikaner and would come back. He offered that I should live in Mumbai on rent and that he would take care of it. But I didn't want that. I want my child to grow up in her own house. You need a lot of money to be able to buy a house in Mumbai. मुंबई के आधे पैसों में मैंने यहाँ घर बना लिया है. Charu stood firm, stating that she doesn't need Rajiv's support to return to Mumbai. She's focused on her goals and is determined to make it on her own. He doesn't have to take any guarantee. I will come back to Mumbai when I have enough money to buy a house. I'll repay my EMIs and loans. I've used my brains. Charu's message is clear. She is building a future for herself and her daughter, prioritizing stability and independence. Sushmita Sen, Charu's former sister-in-law, has always supported her during difficult times, and it's evident that Charu is forging her own path ahead. Charu remains focused on her decisions, making sure Zyana grows up in a home they both can call their own. What do you think of Charu's response? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.
Karan Johar finally breaks silence on fallout with Kartik Aaryan. Some years ago, Karan Johar and Kartik Aaryan had a fallout, which led to Kartik's exit from Dostana 2. However, the two buried the hatchet 3 years later by joining hands for the comedy film Tu Meri Main Tera Tu Meri. In a recent interview, Karan revealed what led to the reconciliation. When asked how he and Kartik decided to work together again after parting ways, Karan replied, "I think we internally discussed it, worked it out and let bygones be bygones." Kartik is an immensely hardworking actor and a very connective big star today who has a wide audience space. He has a great instinct on screenplay. He and I met, collaborated and decided to come together. It was all lovely. He added, he's had issues with each other, but it's a tiny industry, which I call a family. I believe that in a family, kabhi gile shikwe ho jate hai. Sometimes complaints and misunderstandings happen, but I think good people want to make good films, create good content and, as I said, we don't sweat the small stuff. We have a larger vision to look at. Kartik and Kejo are now set to collaborate into upcoming projects, and the shooting of Tu Meri Main Tera Tu Meri has already begun in Croatia. The film also stars Ananya Pandey as the female lead. Besides, Kartik will be seen playing a shape-shifting snake in Nagjilla, which is also produced by Kejo. Kartik also has Anurag Basu's Next in the pipeline, co-starring Sri Leela. No car, no dance moves, no backup. Aamir Khan says Junaid's making it on pure grit. Aamir Khan's son, Junaid Khan, stepped into the world of acting in 2024 with his debut film Maharaj. He was also seen in Love Yappa earlier this year. In an interview, the Bollywood icon opened up about Junaid's journey in cinema, expressing pride in his son's performances and applauding his independent approach to carving out a niche in the industry. Reflecting on Junaid's acting, Aamir said, "I think he's a pretty good actor. I'm really proud of the fact that he's done his job really well in both films." Discussing Maharaj, Aamir added, "When I saw Maharaj, I felt I was watching Karsan. That sincerity and innocence he brought to the role was really beautiful." He went on to highlight the contrast in Junaid's second film, saying, "His second film, he plays a very harami character. That's not his personality at all, but even that he pulled off really well." The actor also revealed that Junaid had auditioned for Lal Singh Chaddha, sharing, "It was a beautiful test. Bang on. He was Lal Singh." When asked what sets Junaid apart, Aamir shared, "He has a very rare ability. He becomes the character. That goes beyond skill. He makes you believe he's that person." Even though he is the son of one of Bollywood's most influential stars, Junaid has deliberately stayed away from using his father's position to get ahead. Aamir said, "He's used none of my help ever. He still doesn't have a car as we speak. He wants to make his own career." Recalling his initial struggles, Aamir mentioned, he did an acting course and came back. Then he was visiting studios and casting directors, auditioning without anyone knowing who he was. His photo wasn't out anywhere. He auditioned for Meera Nair's A Suitable Boy and other projects. The first film he got through auditions was Maharaj. Although Junaid has proven himself as a capable performer, Aamir candidly acknowledged his shortcomings. He doesn't know how to give interviews. He's too sincere, sometimes says the wrong thing, and people misunderstand him. He's not your regular Hindi film hero. He can't dance to save his life. Still, Aamir finds some personal similarities between them. Off-screen, he's very much like me, the way he works, the way his mind functions. On screen, though, he's totally different. Admitting his emotional side as a father, Aamir said, "I'm extremely protective of him, but he doesn't allow me to interfere. I would have never imagined that someone else's success or failure would matter more to me than my own. But with Junaid, it does." Speaking about Junaid's commitment and moral compass, Aamir noted, "He really throws himself into his work. He's someone with a very high degree of integrity. He has some great qualities." Looking to the future, the proud father remains optimistic. Success has not reached him yet the way he deserves, but that's part of life. "I have full confidence in him. He's a fighter and someone who won't give up." Meanwhile, Aamir is gearing up for the release of his next film, Sitare-Zameen Par.
Actor Dhanush, known for his incredible versatility in both Tamil and Hindi cinema, recently made waves in Mumbai at the song launch of his highly anticipated movie Kubera. The event attracted a huge crowd of excited fans and media, all eager to catch a glimpse of the star. As Dhanush arrived at the venue, the excitement in the air was palpable. The actor was instantly surrounded by a sea of fans, all hoping to get a selfie or a quick photo with their favorite star. Dhanush, ever gracious, took the time to acknowledge each one of them, smiling and posing for pictures. In a heartwarming gesture, one fan presented Dhanush with a beautiful shawl as a mark of respect. The fan draped it around Dhanush's shoulders, but as soon as the moment unfolded, a security guard stepped in, attempting to push the fan back. However, Dhanush, in his characteristic kindness, signaled to the security to hold off. He allowed the fan to finish the gesture and even paused to take more photos before heading into the event venue. While Dhanush was busy engaging with his fans, his Kubera co-star, Nagarjun, seemed to be feeling a little left out. The camera captured a brief moment of irritation on Nagarjun's face as he stood on the sidelines. After a short while, the actor quietly walked away from the crowd, leaving Dhanush to enjoy the attention. Kubera is set to be an epic socio-drama, capturing audiences across India. Directed by the acclaimed Shekhar Kamula, the movie will release in multiple languages including Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, and Hindi. Featuring music by Devi Sri Prasad and stunning cinematography by Niket Bami, Kubera promises a gripping story. The film, which also stars Rashmika Mandana, is set for release on 20th June 2025. Dhanush's humble nature and his genuine connection with his fans continue to make him one of the most beloved stars in the industry. With Kubera on the way, fans are eagerly awaiting the magic he will bring to the big screen.
साथ में फोटो करते हैं यहाँ पे साथ में सर रुके ना चलो सर